Hello class! I am giving you a video tutorial of how to use the Desmos graphing calculator to help you with our lesson 7.1. So I'm looking at the 7.1 teacher's notes right now. What I want you to know is basically, if you watch the lesson video, which you should have, the concept of this lesson is to graph the two lines or the linear equations and find where do they touch, where do they intersect. Now, I know we've graphed lines in the past couple of chapters, but maybe you're getting stuck. Maybe you're forgetting how to graph them. Normally in class, I would not allow you to use the graphing calculator because I think it's important for you to know how to graph them. However, because we are doing distance learning, I want to show you that for example 1, if you can see my cursor moving here, example 1, how I could graph that using this calculator is simply just type it in. So I see that it says 3x plus y equals 9. If I type that into my graphing calculator on Desmos, here's the line in red. And then the next one in example 1 is x minus y. So I just type it in, x minus y equals -1. I type that in and now I get a blue line. The answer is this point right here where the two lines touch. So it is the point 2, 3. If I look at my teacher's notes, yes, that is the answer, 2, 3. So just in a very quick demo, that's how you can do lesson 7.1, is just by typing those equations into the Desmos calculator, because what you're doing is you're graphing the two lines, and the main point here is finding out where do they touch. Find that coordinate point. All right, that's it. I hope this helps you. Bye.